need your energy. I need your energy.
What's up, beauties? It's your girl Cobella, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here today to give you guys a very quick, short video on how I achieve flawless brows. It's very short, straight to the point, so we're gonna get right into it. But before we get started, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit that little bell so you'll know when I'm uploading all my videos. Then head over to Instagram and follow me at cobella.beauty so that we can keep up with me on IG as well. To my returning Co Beauties, thanks for rocking with your girl, and let's get started with this video. Bye, beauties. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your dual brush. I love a brush like this because it comes with the brush on one side and then the spoolie on the other side, so you don't really have to worry about putting the brush down and picking up the spoolie. It's just all right here. So you want to kind of groom your brows in an upward motion. I have not gotten my eyebrows waxed in a while, and for me, and I'm pretty sure a lot of others, having your brows already like groomed, waxed, all the excess hair gone makes a difference. But this is why we're doing this video, because I'm going to show you how to finesse the brows as if you've already went to wherever you go, the nail salon or to the hair salon, and got your eyebrows done. So I'm going to be using my e.l.f. eyebrow kit and the color dark. I don't know if y'all can see that. They gave a little bitty sticker to put that. So this is what the palette looks like on the inside. As you can see, I never use the powder and I always use the pomade. And this retails me for like $3.98. The first thing you want to do is take the brush side of your spoolie and just dip it in the brow dip. So when you're starting your eyebrows, you want to start at the beginning, and you just want to kind of trace the shape of your natural brow. You're just gonna lightly line under your eyebrow, not too fast. This is real time, so you can see how slow I'm actually going. And when you get to the arch, you're gonna make your arch and just trace down to your tail. Boom. You just trace the bottom of your brow. Easy, simple. And you're moving on to the next step. So you just grab a little bit more of your brow dip, and now you're gonna go in to the actual brow and just filling in. So you're just filling in these little gaps here that so it can look more like filled, polished, clean. And the good thing about brows, concealer will kind of cover up whatever you mess up. So if you go out of line or you make the line a little too thick or something, you can go in with your concealer and clean that up. I'm gonna go ahead to the front. When we get to the front, you're gonna take your brush and you're gonna go in an upward position to make like hair-like strokes, kind of like that in the front. And use your spoolie to help you comb those hairs to get them in place. So now we're going into the top. We're just going to trace a line over here. It's okay if you have excess product, because your concealer is going to cover that up. And you're going to bring that down to your tail. Boom, you're done for step one. So then I'm gonna go ahead and do this brow like I did this one, just speed it up a little bit, and then we'll be back for the concealer. Now we're gonna go in with the concealer. Today I'm using my trusty LA Girl Pro Concealer. Boom, okay, there we go. And I am using today the shade Toast. Y'all, I need to go get a new one because Toast is about out. And we are going to clean up these brows so we can move on to our full face. So let's get started. You can get LA Girl at the hair store. I think it's $4 at the hair store. So Both of these products are under $5, so there's no excuse on why your brows can't be popping, because you can get good quality brows for under $5. So what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of product on the back of my hand. Now, if I was doing somebody else's like makeup, sorry, I would not do this. I would put the concealer on my makeup tray or something like that and use a brush. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace the bottom of our brow. That is on my face. And this, just like when you were tracing your brow, when you were filling it in, you wanna be very careful and steady-handed with this as well. So I'm done putting my concealer, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my NYX micro brow pencil. I got some Walgreens, I think. Now this was like $7, I think, which is still good because it's under $10. And I'm just gonna fill in those little gaps you see right there. We are ready to blend our brows with my blending brush. This also comes with a flat side and a more buffier side. And so then you're just gonna go in, and the thing about blending, you can never do too much of it. So just blend, 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 blend. Once you blend your brows to your liking, then you're ready to go into your foundation. Now, I am a girl that I prefer to do my brows before I do my foundation. Some people prefer to do their brows after they do their foundation. It's whatever your preference is, but I lost my train of thought. I hope you got some good content out of this. I'm gonna go in and beat my face, and I'll be back. So your girl was feeling herself a little too much and forgot to start talking in the last segment of her video, but it be like that sometimes when your makeup comes out popping. So this is a finished look, completely done with the full face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back next Saturday with a new video. Bye, beauties.